Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary tool accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the right angle attachments. The right angle rotary tool attachment is designed to use accessories at a right angle. It helps you work on hard-to-reach areas like corners and inside the cabinets during remodeling tasks. It has been designed with a coupling system that allows you to rotate it in 12 different directions on your rotary tool. The right angle attachment can be used when drilling holes, sanding, cutting, and grinding. All you need is to attach it to your rotary tool and then fix an accessory. Depending on your rotary tool, you may need a wrench during the exercise. Moving on. At number 4, we have the flexibility shaft attachments. The flexibility shaft attachments are ideal for people who use rotary tools for detailed work that needs precision. Such tasks like wood carving, glass engraving, etching, and jewelry polishing need accuracy and precision. With the flex shaft attachment, you will easily get such tasks done, thanks to the comfortable grip that offers a better control. At number 3, we have the wall and floor grout removal kit. The grout removal kit attachment helps you remove grout between wall and floor tiles during a remodeling exercise. It reduces the risks of chipping your tiles that would have occurred in case you relied on manual chiseling. This base design helps you put your rotary tool into use, while at the same time have a clear view of the surface that you are working on. Hence, making mistakes like cutting into your tiles is easily avoidable. At number 2, we have the mini saw attachment kit. The mini saw kit features a mini saw attachment, driver cap, and rip/crosscut blade. This attachment will transform your rotary tool into a precision circular saw cutter. You can use it when making clear, straight, and fine cuts in all sorts of wood and laminate. The only drawback of this attachment is the fact that it can't be used to make deep cuts. And finally, at number 1, we have the sanding accessories. Sanding accessories feature 2 parts. These are the sanding bands and sanding drums. The drums hold the sanding bands in place. Sanding bands come in various grits, just like the traditional sandpaper sheets. Sanders can be used on wood, bookboard, aluminum, polymer clay, pet's toes, nails, and plexiglass. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.